Model, 67-plate Volkswagen Caddy C20 diesel 2.0 TDI BlueMotion Tech 102PS Startline van body, white, panel van mileage, 109,373 engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 102 PS EU 6-speed transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Airbag light which will need replacing, had a bump on the front. In a private accident. 100% HPI incident happened, company didn't go through the insurance. Front wing and airbags will need replacing. Any other parts are back of the van. Condition summary, bodywork is decent. Interior is decent. Rear